Number 1.
The Coleman Road Trip 285 stand-up propane gas grill is a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Its quick fold legs and wheels make setup and takedown a breeze, making it ideal for camping trips or tailgating adventures. The push-button ignition system provides matchless lighting, saving you the hassle of dealing with matches or lighters. The improved technology on the 3 adjustable burners allows for more precise temperature control, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Assembling this grill is a cinch, requiring just a few simple steps, making it convenient for anyone. Whether you're grilling for a couple or a small family, this portable grill delivers excellent performance and ease of use, making outdoor cooking a delightful experience.
Number 2.
The Royal Gourmet GD4002T Grill and Griddle Combo are truly a barbecue enthusiast dream. With the flexibility to grill or griddle to your heart's desire, it empowers you to customize your outdoor cooking experience. This versatile grill is the perfect companion for outdoor adventures and backyard gatherings, allowing you to savor every moment. I gifted it to my wife, and her excitement was palpable. We considered Blackstone but stumbled upon this gem, and it's transformed our outdoor cooking. From frying fish in a cast iron pot to grilling a wide array of dishes, it offers endless possibilities. We've even invested in a waterproof cover to protect it from the elements, ensuring its longevity. This combo grill is a game changer that elevates our outdoor culinary adventures.
Number 3.
The Amazon Basics Portable Grill is a game changer for outdoor grilling enthusiasts like myself. Its gas griddle cooking surface and a generous 221-inch cooking area make it perfect for outdoor meals. The non-stick, rust-resistant matte enamel-coated griddle top and removable stainless steel grease tray ensure easy use and cleaning. A 12,000 BTUs rectangle-shaped burner ensures even and efficient cooking. The integrated piezo igniter simplifies lighting the grill with a push of a button. Impressed by its build quality and sturdy flat top, it doesn't warp even at high temperatures. The ceramic coating reduces food sticking, and assembly was straightforward. This grill offers fantastic value for the price, ideal for a variety of dishes from shrimp to pancakes. Assembling it is easier with some extra hands due to the cast iron flat top's weight and size.
Number 4.
The Cuisinart CGG 180 Petit Gourmet is a versatile portable gas grill that delivers fantastic grilled flavor wherever you go. Its compact design and adjustable telescoping base, known as the Versa stand, offer unmatched convenience, allowing it to fit almost anywhere. Despite its small size, the ample cooking grate can accommodate most family meals, making it capable of cooking 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or over 4 pounds of fish. The grill heats up quickly and uses less gas than full-sized grills, making it efficient. Its portability features, including a folding design, integrated base, grill lid latch, carry handle, and spill-resistant drip tray, make it ideal for outings to the beach, camping trips, or any outdoor adventure. While it's easy to set up and use, some users have noted slight wobbliness in the legs and a bit of inconvenience when folding the legs back up. Nonetheless, it remains a reliable and convenient choice for outdoor grilling enthusiasts.
Number 5.
The Cuisinart CGG 306 Chef-Style Stainless Tabletop Grill is an impressive combination of performance and design. Setting it up is a breeze, taking less than 10 minutes without the need for tools. With 2 stainless steel burners generating 20,000 BTUs of heat and a simple twist-start ignition, it's perfect for searing meat to perfection. You have precise control over the grilling experience thanks to infinitely adjustable knobs, and the integrated lid thermometer helps you monitor the temperature accurately. The grill features a 10,000 BTUs burner and a 275-inch 2 cooking surface, providing ample space for your grilling needs. Its high-end stainless steel cooking grate is easy to clean, ensuring durability and longevity. Its stainless steel construction ensures it won't suffer the same fate, and its portability makes it a versatile choice for various outdoor settings.